Hello folks, it's Gary JSF again, and we're on a little bit of a travel. It's a revisit. Not so long ago we did the same trip, but we're on our way back to Dobbins Inn in Carrickfergus in County Antrim, Northern Ireland. So it's only an overnighter. It's their steak and stay deal, where you get what they call simple steaks. It's a rump steak with sauce and all your sides, and then they have bed and breakfast, so it's a bed, breakfast, evening meal deal. It's costing £92, and this is it the 2nd of December? Well, it's a Sunday, so it's a Sunday deal, Sunday steak and stay deal. So come along with us. If you've seen the other video, maybe if you want to hang up, but hopefully we'll cover a wee bit more this time, and you'll get a look around the place and see what you think. So heading for Carrickfergus. Right, well, this is the car park I use just over from the castle and Marine Highway at the back of the bank. If you go up Purity Lane, nice name for a little street, up Purity Lane, that takes you into High Street and just across really from the hotel, so it's very handy to park in. It's about £2.50 for the full day, so that's not overly expensive. Well, that's just landed in Carrickfergus, although we're a little bit early for checking in. Check-in's 3 o'clock, and it seems to be strictly 3 o'clock as it was the last time. So we've just retired into the bar across the road, Central Bar, which is a Wetherspoons bar, so you get a cheap pint. If you like the English ale Worthingtons, it's only £2.10 a pint, so it's a rather nice place. And if you have a look around, you have a great view over the shore. So not a bad place to sit, and you have the castle that direction. So not a bad place to sit when you're waiting to check in, and you can also get a wee bite to eat if you wish. Right, it's 2 degrees outside, and we come in off the street, that lovely glowy red fire, and it's just really, really nice. And of course a Christmas spirit with a tree in the middle. But check-in process was really pleasant and friendly. And as I stand by that fire, didn't hurt in any way whatsoever. Right, well, you come up a couple of wee flights of stairs and into where all the accommodation is. We're room 21, so straight through here. Hey, oh, you're all right. Don't worry. And into room 21. Which is lovely and toasty and warm. Nice big bed. Not a whole heap of room, but very pleasant. Wardrobe for all your stuff, but we're only here overnight, so we don't really need it. So, phone, and inside the bed, a couple of bedside cabinets. We'll have a little look at the outside view. Oh, we've got like a little courtyard. Set of steps. Yeah, pleasant enough. So a different room from the last time, but equally as pleasant. Probably a better view, even though it is on a whitewashed stone wall. But it's very nice, and I'll say nice and toasty warm. That's at this time of year in December in Northern Ireland. You need that wee bit of heat, so it is really pleasant. So there we go. I forgot to show the TV, but there's a big 32-inch TV hanging up on the wall. So we'll get a look at the bathroom. Okay, from the bedroom you go down a couple little steps into the bathroom, and quite a modern place with a nice corner shower, fresh wash hand basin and cabinet, and of course the throne. But all very nice. I'll say it's a little bit oldie worldly, the building, but it's quite pleasant where you're going to stay. So Right, well this is Carrickfergus Castle, and it's just late afternoon in December, so it's looking rather nice there. A wee bit of sun behind it. Right, just going across from the castle, that's the Marine Highway, and just if you can see Rumour's coffee shop there, that's just the entrance to the High Street, and the hotel's just there. Just before we left last night on the news, we had people complaining about the Christmas tree in Carrickfergus. I'll have to say, I'm starting to see where they're coming from. It looks totally unimpressive. That's really not good. Now, when the lights are on, it seems a lot better when it was showing it on the news. But we'll get a look at it later. But at the moment, that's seriously unimpressive. Right, well, this is the steak you get. If I was going to take a guess, that'd be a rump steak, onions on it, pepper sauce, garlic potatoes, which I ordered. There's the mushroom that Terry's got because I refused it, and the champ. Looks pretty good to me. I'll check in and let you know what it's like when I'm finished it. Right, that was another pleasant meal. This time seemed to be like sirloin steak rather than rump. The rump I actually said would think was better, but it was quite okay.
Tough.
Well, it was not as good as the rump, but it was tasty. The sides were great. The sauce was great. So it was worth every penny. Let's be honest, it was worth every penny. So that was it. The staff was lovely. Ruth, who came down to service first, was full of banter, full of crack, and the other young girl was really pleasant too. But I didn't get her name. But it has been worth every penny. Right, this has come to the end of our night, but we've been over in the Central Bar, which is a Wetherspoons bar, and a young kid looking after us tonight called Jamie. A real nice guy. A young girl who looked after us earlier when we were coming in for a couple of pre-dinner drinks before we went across for our dinner, and she was very pleasant either. We didn't get her name, but I'll say really nice up in the upstairs bar in the Central Bar. We'll probably retire down to the downstairs bar, but I think I'm finished blogging for the night. That's the table with the cereals and fruit and orange juice, and then the fries delivered. Well, that's my breakfast without the mushrooms and tomato. It's definitely a solid dodger, and there it is. So we'll get tucked in. It looks nice and dry. It doesn't look too greasy or anything. So here it goes.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Well, that's us back from our little overnighter, and it didn't disappoint again. It was a definitely good value trip. The steak was a sirloin, which is slightly tougher than the rump that we had the last time, but it was still tender enough. It was okay. It was really tasty though. It was well done and exactly to our liking. We had a bit of a walk around, had a wee fly with the drone, as you'll have seen in the video there, and it was really good. It was cold, boys. It was cold, I have to say, but the room was toasty and warm, and that's all that matters. The room's quite basic, but it's comfortable and spotlessly clean. The sheets were snow white, and when we're coming out this morning. The checkout time is 11 o'clock. Check-in 3 o'clock, which seems to be quite rigid. But when you come out, it's they had the clean sheet sitting ready to go on the bed, so it was going to be redone again. So it was absolutely fine. The breakfast, I forgot to bring my camera down, of course, as usual. So I filmed a wee bit on my phone, but it was fine, nice and dry. You know, it wasn't greasy in any way at all, and it was tasty. The sausages and all were tasty. So and bacon was quite good, quite lean bacon. So can't complain, and I'll say that got us through. So. That's our little overnighter. Our next trip is back to Liverpool and back to the Travel Lodge. I'll do a quick video of that as well, but it's I'd like this one. I haven't been before. I'm not going to go nuts on it, but there we go. But thanks very much for watching. If you got to this stage, it's much appreciated. And if you like, subscribe and share, it's always appreciated. And thanks for watching. Bye for now.